The Wapello levee district is particularly interesting because they spent $3.5 million. They were going to spend $3.5 million to repair a levee that had failed numerous times and was expected to continue to fail. Instead, the community decided to spend that $3.5 million on buying out the farmland and the homes in that area so they could prevent future flooding. And they did this in a really innovative way. They actually engaged with an NGO, a local NGO, the Iowa Natural Heritage Foundation, and they worked with this NGO to transfer the property so that the homeowners didn't actually have to sell their property directly to the government. They could trade with homeowners from other parts of the state who were interested in being sold out. So those farmers who wanted to continue farming could trade for farmland in a less vulnerable area and continue to work their trade. And homeowners who wanted to be bought out could have this land that was going to become a state park and a wetland. So they went through this trading process and they spent the money to buy 2,700 acres of land. And eventually they turned this into the Mark Twain State Park, which in subsequent flooding events, particularly in 2008 and 2010, soaked up 6 to 15 feet of stormwater. It also took out a whole bend of the river and turned it into a natural park so that it could soak up water in that area and prevent flooding further downstream and in other areas, and it really helped other levee systems to prevent them from flooding. So this became not just a relocation of those homes, but an investment in the entire river's community to make this a safer area against future floods.